This is the top of the range Hymer 890 motorhome. For something like this, you're looking at €250,000. Here I'm going to give you a very quick look around it, but there's more information in another video. So it's on a Mercedes Sprinter. You've got a spare bed above the passenger and driver's seats. We've got this table, semi-dinette with an L-shaped seating group here, as well as this chair over here. Incidentally, you can also make a seat here. Under it there's a seat with a belt. It's got this deep double floor. It's a flat floor all the way back, and in the floor we've got a lot of the technical infrastructure needed for the vehicle, as well as a great deal of storage space as well. The point of this floor, of course, lower center of gravity. It makes for a much smoother ride, as well as having all the benefits of storage and insulation. Here we've got a very modern looking kitchen block, induction cooking, plus 2 traditional gas burners. Here we find sink, a smaller sink, storage around under the kitchen. Over on this side we've got a large fridge which opens at both sides, a freezer, a grill. We've got these pull-out pantry units here. Coming into here, this is a washroom and a dressing room at the same time. Toilet, shower, and at the back we've got this magnificent double bed. This bed will go up and down depending. If you want more space in the garage, which is below it, then you can put it up, and if you want to have it easy to get into the bed, you keep it down. Under the bed we've also got storage, and we've got wardrobe space at either side of the bed, and above it we've got more storage as well. There is one television. There's another television in the lounge. Where is the other television? It's hidden under here, down there. There you go, there's the other television. So this is of course a very quick video I've done just to show you this van, which requires a great deal more information to be given. Top of the range, so I've done another video as well, but I direct you for the moment to the description, and there's more information there. But for the moment, thanks for watching. I did that in under 3 minutes.